Hello and welcome. There is something to be said for a premium mechanical keyboard. For those of us who type a lot, are in front of a screen, and seated for most of the day, it is one of the primary ways we input and interact with our devices. One such premium brand is Luminkey. Today I have with me the Luminkey 65, a keyboard that has all the things that differentiate a budget mechanical keyboard from those that are refined and put a smile on your face with the tactile feedback and that sweet, sweet sound. Let's take a look at what Luminkey has achieved here and if it's worth a buy. But first, a disclaimer. The Luminkey 65 was purchased with my own money, the product was not provided nor loaned to me for review. Thus, all opinions in this video will be wholly my own and none have been privy to editorial review of the content herein. And please click that like button, click the subscribe button, and turn on the notifications by pressing the bell icon so that you're the first to know when there's new content available here. Let's begin. We first begin with this elegant design. I have the pre-built unit here, however kits can be purchased through Luminkey and other retail channels. The standout black all-metal 6063 CNC milled aluminum chassis with copper accents and copper weights stands out. It is certainly a looker, like that tuxedo you've had put away in your closet to be pulled out for those special occasions. It weighs the part too, and that heft is definitely noticeable trying to cart this keyboard around, not that you should. The multi-layer construction is truly remarkable, as the fit and finish of the 65 from Luminkey is one of the most premium keyboards that I have ever used. If you consult Luminkey's website for a complete and detailed diagram, you'll see that starting with a bottom case that is weighted, hot swappable PCB, silicone gasket, and foam for noise dampening are all present to create a truly premium touch-type feel that is unlike many others. The minimalist 65 keyboard comes in a variety of pre-assembled options, or as mentioned earlier, can be heavily customized. Luminkey provides a pretty good selection of colors, designs, accents, and even keycap combinations that will allow you to find one that fits your aesthetic. I have here the pre-built with the new keycap styling in the black and copper accents. You can order additional plates, badges, and even keycaps for Luminkey 65 direct from their website. This customizability makes the Luminkey 65 personal while giving you a top-tier mechanical keyboard experience. There should be something here for most people with the color, plate, badge, and keycap combinations. And it comes pre-installed with Luminkey's own custom-tuned Astral switches. These linear switches have an operating force of 45 grams with a total travel force of 50 grams and 3.5 millimeters of total travel distance. They have palm stems for wide keycap compatibility. A beautiful leather case holds all the knickknacks and serves as a storage or carry case for convenient transport, ensuring the 65 stays away from the elements. Taking a look inside, compartments are separated by Velcro straps. Pulling the top strap down reveals the accessories. We start with a premium braided USB Type-C cable that can be used for wired operation. We have a USB dongle here for wireless mode operation. We get a single spare Luminkey Astral switch. And we have some screws, stickers, and pads that can be used sparingly as replacements, a printed instructions and setup guide here for quick operation and pairing with your PC, some extra keycaps match to the design aesthetic that you selected when ordering your Luminkey 65, and finally some Velcro straps to hold the keyboard in place to ensure that it stays secured while being transported. Considering that the weight of this keyboard is quite hefty, this is much welcomed. Alright, that's enough specs. Let's do a quick typing test to give you an idea how this beautiful keyboard actually sounds. I want you to hear it for yourself. enthusiast level keyboard, then perhaps you should be considering the Luminkey 65. It offers a fantastic set of features, is hefty, built rock solid, has tri-mode connectivity, and fully hot swappable switches and keycaps. In addition, there is some extra level of customization available via a bevy of plates, badges, and keycaps that can be directly ordered from Luminkey. If you can find this keyboard on a deal, I would say grab it. If you're a fan of 65 keyboards, you won't be disappointed. Well, that's all I have to say in this video. I hope you enjoyed this content, and if you did, click that like button, click the subscribe button, and turn on the notifications by pressing the bell icon so that you're the first to know when there's new content available here. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.